Okay, we're digging into some market intelligence that is sounding a pretty serious alarm. Let's get into it.
And they're not pulling any punches here. The message is clear. The party might be over.
So what's the one piece of evidence that has analysts sounding the red alert?
It all comes down to this ETF called TSLL. Think of it like betting on Tesla, but on steroids.
Get this one fund traded almost 60 million shares in just a single day. That means a ton of everyday traders are making huge, risky bets, often with borrowed money.
But look, it's not just this one thing. This kind of behavior is popping up everywhere.
Take this small biotech stock, RADX. It jumped a crazy 143% in one day.
That's what you call a parabolic move. It's not about value, it's just pure FOMO driving the price.
Yeah, at that point, you're not really investing anymore. That's straight up gambling.
And then you get the really wild stuff. This penny stock, RNWF, exploded over 1,100%.
When the junkiest stocks are flying high, that's a classic sign that nobody's worried about risk.
Okay, so that's the behavior. But do the actual numbers, the market's vital signs, back this up?
All right, let's look at the dashboard. And wow, yeah, there are red flags all over the place.
So you got people buying anything, zero fear, and nobody's hedging. It's all gas, no brakes.
So with all this risk, what do? Well, the playbook isn't just sell everything now. Instead, it's a disciplined, three-phase plan for what could be coming next. Phase 1, hit the brakes, hard. Sell off your speculative stuff and lock in some of those profits.
And here's the really big move. Raise your cash level to as high as 40 or even 50%.
Now this cash isn't about being scared. It's your dry powder for when things go on sale.
Phase 2 is all about defense. You protect what's left by hedging and moving into safer areas. Phase 3 is where you go on offense. You start making a shopping list of great companies right now.
The whole point is to turn a market panic into your own personal buying opportunity.
You know, at the end of the day, all these numbers are just measuring human psychology, greed and fear.
Which leaves every investor facing that $1 million question for themselves.